Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are still talking about stock market predictions with AI. So today we are going to talk about the problems that we are going to address, the AI environment, and the agents going to be used in my problem, the data set description, how I'm going to apply informed and uninformed search, and the AI accountability. As we said in the last YouTube video, the problem to be addressed is to determine the stock market loss, increase and losses, and also in case of investment, one should be able to gain a significant amount of profit. So here, AI system is going to be able to predict prices in the stock market, following investors gain profits, in which eliminates the problem of poor investment. For the problem we are solving, we have the AI environment, and this AI environment takes in a single agent environment, as one software program will be able to run to predict the stock prices. This environment also is dynamic because the agents have to keep looking at the world before an action is taken. The AI environment is partially observable, as it is not able to ascertain the state of the environment at every moment. So basing on our problem to be solved, the environment will precisely be the Tesla stock market, as we shall be using a Tesla stock data set. So when we go to our agents, agents being used will be a software agent trying to predict the stock prices of the Tesla stock. It will have the keyboard as a sensor, allowing new inputs for recent stock market values and predictions for the value of the stock displayed on the screen. The agent is also a model-based reflex agent which works in partially observable environment, and its knowledge bases from the world and history of past happenings. So now we have the dataset descriptions. As we said, our selected datasets come from Tesla stock market, and also has the following features. So our dataset has date recorded, and this gives a timestamp of when the transactions were recorded, such that a prediction pattern can be derived out of it. Our datasets also have volume, which indicates the amount of stocks sold during that day. They have a description of high, which shows the maximum price that is hit by the stock during that day. They also have a description of low, and this shows the minimum price that is hit by the stock that day. The datasets we are using are open, and this shows the price of stock when the market opens. So how are we going to apply the informed search during our project? Since informed search uses algorithms with goal state information, it's going to use functions to search for a declared value from the datasets, and one can be able to predict the maximum and minimum value in the stock market. Also, we are going to use this search. The system will be able to invest the most profit in the stock. Like, we'll be able to tell the investors that now it's time to invest because the profits are high, basing on the most efficient goal node. Then for the uninformed search, uninformed search is a general purpose algorithm, as there is no additional information about the search space. So our AI system goes in blindly and will search when the target is reached, and the investor will now be able to decide on whether to invest or not. So there is what we call AI accountability, and this refers to evidence, and this must be solid evidence of governance at the organizational level, like whereby clear goals and objectives for the system are well defined. The responsibilities and lines of authority should be well established for us to own this system. It is often defined too precisely because of its multi-faced nature and the socio-technical structure. Therefore, our AI system as we're building this project, must imply a variety of values, practices, and measures which are accountable. This accountability of artificial intelligence is going to be applied in our project by setting clear roles for the system. We are going to declare how beneficial this is going to be in the stock market. So we are going to declare clear uses of our system and why we should own it. It should also be realized through declaring different responsibilities held upon the system and how it does not misuse the lines of authority and environment around. Thank you.